Day trade setups for today. So we're pretty much doing nothing at the moment. We are ranging. We're starting off on the 8-hour chart this morning, and the reason why is because we have some big levels here that I want to highlight. So firstly, there's this area right over here, and I just want to get the second level in because that's the zone that I'm waiting for. When you look to the left, you can see some pretty big structure off this area, and I can put that level in as well, which should be 30.25, 30.23, 30.20, that area there. Okay, so these are the three areas that we are paying attention to this morning. So the minute we start coming down to the 3-hour, you will see that price action at the moment is fairly confused. So you can see we opened up with a green bar, we've come back with a red bar. So that is pretty much a range at the moment during the Asian session, which is typical the Asian session. And in the middle of nowhere, there is this Brooks gap here. Okay, there's a level there, and then there is a Brooks gap here. So I know it's starting to get a bit noisy, but the point that I'm going to be making shortly is we have a lot of support just below us. If you look at that on the hour. So obviously price is looking for an area of support. We haven't got support at the moment. So it wouldn't surprise me to see us drop down below this area here, find some support, and then bounce back up into roughly where we are now, which is flirting with 3,000. So 3,000 is the area that the bulls are going to try to defend. I mean, that's a given. But at the moment, I'm kind of going to wait and see here. I'm really not going to get into this just yet. There is some strong areas where I'd be looking for longs, and that is 29.60, 29.95, and 3,000. Those are definitely the areas that I'm paying attention to. If we do drop as low as 29.57, that would be another area for me to get long again. So what will get me short, and I've said it pretty much most of the week, is I'm looking for pretty much a break and retest of this zone here. So this 29.25 area, that would get me short. At this stage, this is just too sideways for me at the moment. I know it's dropping, but it's just too sideways. Now, the other thing to bear in mind here, that's not what I wanted. I wanted that, is that we have this range. Okay, there's our range. We've had a break and a retest of that range, and that measured move takes us slap bang onto this level here of 29.57 or 29.60. So that would definitely be a buying area for me. Okay, so just use a block like that. That is a buying area. Okay, so at the moment, I think wait and see what transpires here. Don't really trust what's happening right now. If you look at the 15, you can see big up, big down, big up, big down, big confusion, big up, big down, big confusion. So pretty much at the close, and we're happening now. So unless there's a major catalyst, I think the market sentiment is what's going to be what's driving it, and that's market sentiment is very cautious at the moment, which is what you're seeing. Okay, so that's kind of me. I'm not committing to a long or short just yet. We'll wait to see if we're moving down. I'll be wait to see what happens at these different levels here for me to get long. And if we do start moving up above these fractals here, then I'll be looking for a long as well. Okay, not really looking at shorts at the moment, not until I see some confirmation that we have shorts. And I mean, if you look at the 30-minute, look what happened and going into close on Friday. That is complete confusion, that. Okay, and when you see confusion like that, it's always a good idea just to take extra time and wait and see what transpires. If I do get into this market today, I will put the trade up on Telegram channel, but until then, it's sit on hands for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.